friends, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, hi, my name is Chinny. Welcome to my channel. Please join the family by subscribing to the channel. I would really love to have you here. Plus, it's totally free and you don't want to make it the last time you see this pretty face on your screen. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you all some easy ways to look elegant and classy in a basic white shirt and jeans. You'll agree with me that a good number of us girls actually resort to white shirt and jeans whenever we really don't have an outfit option for the day, and it's something that always comes in handy. But what some of us don't know is that we can actually make this outfit look 10 times more classy and more elegant than it already is. So if you're interested in knowing some of these tips, then keep on watching, and if not, please keep on watching. Before we get into it, please don't forget to subscribe if you're new and give this video a big thumbs up if you end up enjoying it. Thank you. Alright, so let's get into the video and hope you guys enjoy it. So this is a basic white shirt, as we all know it to be, a button-down shirt, and I have a black jean on in this video right here. Like I said earlier, it's just an outfit that every one of us actually does resort to wearing when we don't have an outfit planned out for the day. One of the things you can do to elevate this outfit, make it look more classy and more elegant, is to tuck in your shirt. I cannot overemphasize on tucking in your shirt. It just makes you look more put together. It does make you look more classy, more elegant, more polished. It makes you look complete, and it does demand just a little bit of respect. Not that flying your shirt is bad, but when you fly your shirt, you can make it look classy but with an attitude. But when you tuck in your shirt, you look more polished, more classy, more elegant. And one bonus tip is when you tuck in your shirt with a jean, use a belt. A belt helps it to be more complete. It does add more detail to the tucking in, and it makes you look taller. Another thing you can do to step up your basic white shirt and jeans is to accessorize with a scarf. Scarves are tiny pieces of classy. Scarves are so classy. Some people think that scarves are only for cold, but the truth is there are different scarves made with different materials for different purposes. So no matter the weather, no matter the season or the occasion, you definitely find the perfect scarf to go with your outfit. I like to accessorize with scarves that have details or scarves that have colors, just because white and black are both neutral colors, so using something colorful or something with more detail adds more detail to the entire outfit. So you could just throw a scarf on your neck or just hang the scarf on your shoulder, and it will instantly transform your outfit to classy. And the thing about scarves is, whether bright and colorful or just solid colors, scarves are always chic, they are elegant, and they are posh. To step up your white shirt and jeans is to throw on a hat. Wearing hats can instantly just make you stand out from the rest. Hats are very classy, they're very sophisticated, and yes, people think they were worn in the olden days. Oh, hats were worn in the olden days, and yes, that's true. Hats were actually worn back then in the 1920s or thereabouts. They were worn with everything. They were worn with suits, with dresses, with skirts, shorts, everything. And you'll agree with me that even then, in some movies that we see, when you see someone wear a hat, it just speaks money. It just speaks like a wealth and like sophistication. So yes, hats were worn back then in the days, and then slowly it started fading out. But then now hats are back in trend, and although people are still getting used to wearing hats, it really isn't that bad. You could definitely wear a hat on a white shirt and jeans. It really does make you look classy. It makes the entire outfit look more sophisticated. Whenever you're having doubts or a second thought about wearing a hat, just think about how sophisticated you look and run with it. way you can step up this outfit is by accessorizing with a wristwatch. I'm not going to generalize on accessories like neck pieces or earrings or bracelets. No, I'm capitalizing on wristwatches because let me tell you, okay, people notice wristwatches. Wristwatches does add elegance and class to an outfit. Wristwatches are just very unique. I can't do without a wristwatch. If I'm leaving my house, like, a wristwatch is actually part of my outfit. It speaks for itself. And despite the other functions or benefits of a wristwatch also does make you look confident. So when you look confident, you feel confident, and vice versa. When you feel confident, you look confident. When you look confident, you feel confident. So that's what a wristwatch can do to your outfit. Simply wearing a wristwatch on your white shirt and jeans can transform the entire outfit. Okay, so another thing you can do to step up your basic white shirt and jeans is to wear pointed shoes. Pointed shoes are so classy. They just have a way to make you look like a fortune. Pointed shoes make your outfit look so polished, and compared to the open-toe sandal or slippers heels, pointed shoes are way more classy. So you should definitely wear pointed shoes with your white shirt and jeans. As you can see, it does make the outfit look like a fortune. Like I said before, black and white are very neutral colors, and to bring it out a bit, I just paired it with red pointies because then it will give more detail to the entire outfit. You could definitely use black as well, or use any other color that you think goes with your outfit depending on how vibrant you feel, but just make sure your pointed shoes are very comfortable. Another thing you can do to step up your basic white shirt and jeans outfit, which is the last I have for you, is to wear sunglasses. Sunglasses just have a way to make you look like a movie star. You look and feel like a superstar. Sunglasses are actually trending now. Everyone wears sunglasses. I actually didn't used to wear sunglasses some years ago, but then when I found out the benefits of wearing sunglasses and that sunglasses can make my outfit look more elegant and more classy, now I wear a lot of sunglasses. You could definitely make your white shirt and jeans look more classy by just wearing a pair of sunglasses. Plus, it has other benefits including protecting your eyes from sunlight, hiding your face from no makeup days, and so on and so forth. So you just have to find the perfect pair that suits your face. And I would say you can never go wrong with an oversized pair. Plus, they're trending now. Do not underestimate the power of sunglasses. They're so classy and elegant. Okay, so these are some of the simple things you can do to instantly step up your basic white shirt and jeans to something more elegant and more classy. I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I would like to say you don't have to combine all of this together to look elegant. You can pair two things together, or one thing, or even three, or you can do all of them. It depends on how you feel and your mood for the day. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.